Good luck, Kevin. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Goodbye, Don. Why are you screaming? Oh my god, you gotta die. Don't scream. Oh my god, you okay?
No, you got
He's dead. My very first best friend here. No, no, my best bee. My best friend, no! You were screaming, that's why he's following you. What are you doing, Kevin? No! No! He's dead. Oh, poor buddy. Oh, no. What? Oh my goodness. What are you? Why are you? Oh my goodness, Kevin. You keep screaming, that's why he killed you! Oh, wait, I need to turn that on. Okay, I'm not going inside. Fine. I'm gonna go. Just don't call his name, just turn off the lights. No, I don't.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. The lights are off too.
Turn off the lights, let's go!
Oh, snap, that's already on 4. Where's my picture? Alright. Where are you? Oh, snap! Go! Go! No!
No! I was like, no! No way! Wait! No way! No way! He was like, where are you? He was like, where are you? And then the kid was just crawling around at the feet. I'm sorry, Kevin. I'm sorry, best man. I'm sorry. It's Mare. Oh, look at that. He's angry. She's angry. No. Good night, Jesse. Good night, Jesse.
This store?
No. It was.
What?
Yeah. Where is it? I forgot. No, I think it's
This store?
Let's go back. Oh my.
We're at 5 again.
Shh.
And my light's going off.
Shh. Shut up.
And I'm dead.
No. My goodness. Oh no, not again, Kevin. My best buddy. Oh my goodness. No, Kevin. No. Oh my god, he was so angry. He was so angry. Look. Oh, what the heck? Oh my goodness, our sanity is really low. I don't know. I just found out there's a fingerprint. There's an EMF level 5. I don't know. Why does the ghost target Kevin? He was so noisy. That's why. Kevin's so noisy. My best bud.